Oh, zum, 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 zum. Tá faltando um. Oh, zum, 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 zum. Tá faltando um.
Rio de Janeiro, Rio de Janeiro.
desse jeito, pensando nos beijos, carinhos dela.
Something Já falei que tenho algo a dizer e disse que falador passa mal e você me disse que cada um vai colher o que plantou, porque raiz sem alma, como o Flip falou, é triste. A minha busca é na batida perfeita, sei que nem tudo tá certo, mas com calma se ajeita. Por um mundo melhor eu mantenho minha fé, menos desigualdade, menos tiro no pé. Andam dizendo que o bem vence o mal, por aqui vou torcendo pra chegar no final. É, quanto mais fé, mais religião, a mão que mata, reza ou mata em vão, hein? E contam coisas como se fossem corpos ou realmente são corpos, todas aquelas coisas. Deixa pra lá, eu devo tá viajando, enquanto eu falo besteira, nego vai se matando, então
Deixa eu dizer o que penso dessa vida, preciso de mais desabafar. Deixa eu dizer o que penso dessa vida, preciso de mais desabafar.
And the beat go. Word. That's right. I'll tell you about the time I had to solve this case with some crab motherfucker straight invading my space. It was approximately 8:47 p.m. I was on my way home, coming back from the gym. Yo, my muscles kinda ached, they felt rigid and stiff, but my mind was at ease from this Coltrane riff, playing loud out of shot, right on Fulton and Troop, till a Jeep drowned it out with Exhibit and Snoop. As I get closer to the Heezy, baby, certain parts of my body started acting crazy. My ears got the twitching and my right hand shook. I had a sudden need for speed, so I decided to book. As I arrived on the block to see a bunch of kids scoping out my building, noticing the door wide open. I jetted up the stairs past signs of forced entry, expecting to see my humble abode stripped empty. Oh hell no.
Janeiro, Rio de 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 Janeiro.
Now you can come visit any time of year, and the sun is shining and the skies are clear. If you're looking for love, you can find it here. So give this a couple minutes up inside your ear. Yeah.
I'm looking for the light like a Jedi Knight, so I'm headed for Brazil on a red-eye flight. Cause I gotta hit the festival.
Tell 'em why.
It's set to go 4 whole days at a very high decibel. We'll cut loose and dance in the streets all the way down to Copacabana Beach. And when it's all over, recovery mode, I'm out in Ipanema to relax and reload. Cause I think we got a UD show tomorrow, and I have to go to Sao Paulo. I know Andy's at a soccer game, rides in the Speedo. I'm not Michael Caine, but I'll blame it on Rio.
You gotta go to Rio with me. If you wanna carnival with me. Cause you need to get away with me. And we're gonna do it now with me. You gotta go to Rio with me. If you wanna carnival with me. Cause you need to get away with me.
Rio de Janeiro, Rio de Janeiro.
Been a long time coming, but the blood doesn't flow with the weight. As we dead on the damn debate, anticipate this change gonna come. You damn straight, non-stop till my name preceded by the great. I get around like digital pop and been around like the ice cream. Truck on your block and hold it down with the squirt gun. Deep in your sink, spitting around tight wisdom, making you think. If you around like sweetheart, you can reflect. Don't put it down cause you need art. You can respect. I know it sound not quite like what you expect. Type underground meaning not just after the check. If you predict this, miss, you can hardly detect. Could draw you up +6, then you stand correct. Lost and found, no joke. If you sleep in neglect, then suck his dick till it's poking out the back of your neck. Now bring it in.
Don't play games today cause you see on the sideline your fans be on mine. Don't play games today cause you see on the sideline your fans be on mine. Don't play games today cause you see on the sideline your fans be on mine. Don't play games today, what?
I heard nice guys finish last, but see this theory doesn't quite explain the reason I'm letting y'all rap races leave the gate ahead of time and still politely waiting for you at the finish line. Some people find it so amazing how I put a rhyme together and bring it to life like Dr. Frankenstein. I hope you can handle the truth, cause see I'm frank with mine. So it be seeming like I'm acting kinda stank at times, but see my lines are built for battle like a tank design. Running through obstacles like pop like the finish time. I got some rules and regulations to diminish crime, and if you follow them, you could become a friend of mine. Some catch amnesia with the lyrics and remember mine. Then they forget that it's a tool I use to speak my mind. But then they even got the nerve to try to freak my rhymes. But they get it like they was painting our serpentine. Now bring it in.
Don't play games today cause you see on the sideline your fans be on mine. Don't play games today cause you see on the sideline your fans be on mine. Don't play games today cause you see on the sideline your fans be on mine. Don't play games today cause you see on the sideline your fans be on mine. Don't play games today cause you see on the sideline your fans be on mine.
Alligator.
I wake up in the morning, seems like one of them days. Summertime sun rays, longer days and heat waves. Ladies on the corner out there skimpy as hell. Toes out, lollipop screaming, what up MCL? Tricks of all flavors and kinds, birds the streets. Never shy or discreet when it comes to the heat. Cats boiling on the court, some are boiling for sport. My little man right there smoking trees in Newport.
Humid weather got us bugging with liquor during the summer. What a bummer. You down the crib and got the wrong number. See, twisters on the block cause the crib is too hot. And these honeys stay in flock, showing all that they got. It's either beer and lemonade, then run up in some shade, then barbecue for days, hit the whip and crazy blaze, then open Open up the hatchback, your dog, you got the blast that. My lead got that fat track, all in honey's ass.
We take a blast from the past. Now think, when you were small, all you thought about was catch a girl, kiss a girl in the hall. No school face or tools, just fights after school. Now you get that ass blast, fair ones was the rule. Now red run rampant and blue can't stand it. Shorty grown as hell, smoking on New Jersey Transit. It only gets worse when the weather plays a part of getting robbed, raped, or stabbed, or shot up in the heart. It's some summertime blues. Seems like every day somebody dying in the news. Whether it's your money or the jewels, shit is hectic, it's neglected. Dirty bitch strip, say she wanna be respected. What you expected? Baby, it's the break. It's some summertime blues, better get used to it. This world cool as hell, is either win or you lose. We bring the heated news for the summertime blues, yeah.
Tira, eu tiro, tu fala ritmo de putaria. Sei que as novinha delira. Essa é a nova moda, a dança do bota tira. Ritmo de putaria. Sei que as novinha delira. Essa é a nova moda, a dança do bota tira. Eu boto, tu fala tira, eu tiro, tu fala bota, 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 bota. Eu boto, tu fala tira, eu tiro, tu fala bota, 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 bota.
Só pra refrescar. Caraca, moleque, que taca, moleque, que taca, moleque, que taca, moleque. Caraca, moleque, que taca, moleque, que taca, moleque, que taca, moleque. Caraca, moleque. Bora! E quando eu tô assim, é só aventura. Tira a mão de mim, ninguém me segura. Cola com
about me. But a bitch can't get a dollar out of me. No Cadillac, no words you can't see. That I'm a motherfucking P.I.M.P. I don't know what you heard about me. But a bitch can't get a dollar out of me. No Cadillac, no words you can't see. That I'm a motherfucking P.I.M.P. The alligator.
Vai rebolando, o tamborzão.
Vem amor, vai, vem amor, vai.
Vai rebolando, o tamborzão.
Vem amor, vai, vem amor, vai.
Vai rebolando, o tamborzão.
Vem amor, vai, vem amor, vai.
Vai rebolando, o tamborzão.
Vem amor, vai, vem amor, vai.
Eu dou na hora. Eu dou, uma vez entra, outra fora. Eu dou na hora, agora já vou dar de volta com a Aracá. Ela se mexe, rebola, me bate com a bunda dela, igual chiclete. Nossa, gostava como a Nugala, me dá de volta, vai. Volta todos os dias, como no seu trabalho, cavaleiro. Eu sou o seu cavalo, vai. Primeiro me abraça e beija minha careca. Essa noite você vai ser minha boneca. Vamos fazer coisa doida, mas só para a beleza. Essa noite você vai ser minha boneca. Eu dou na hora. Eu dou, uma vez entra, outra fora. Eu dou na hora, agora já vou dar de volta com Aracabo. Eu pergunto pra Deus, uma gata, uma mulher. Ele falou, valeu, vai, só tem que escolher. Vamos namorar, não é só ficar, é só precisa amor e água na barriga. O sol, a praia, um clima tropical. É só precisa amor de você na minha barriga. Eu pergunto pra ela o que você quer. Ela falou, dança até fica mal no pé. Vamos.
Like this, and like that. 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 Like this, like that. Like this, and like that.
Faz o tipo, patrãozinho, mas de patrão tu não tem nada. Eu quase caí na sua, me liguei nessa parada. Você pensa que é esperto e a esperta que sou eu. Tentou dar a volta por cima, ligadona em vocês.
And like that.
Ground. I said it's straight, 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 straight. I said it's straight from the underground. Underground. I said it's straight from the underground. underground. I said it straight from the underground. Underground. I said it straight from the underground. Underground. I said it straight from the underground. I said it straight. 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 Straight. I said it straight. I said it straight. I said it straight. Straight. I said it straight. Straight.
Problem. Problem. be gone. I'm where she already knows. You know she get all that, all that, all that, all that. You know my lady always on. She know I need it so. She know she